How to fix some keys not working on laptop keyboard not working. Today I'm going to show you in a simple, clear and a practical way what you can do when some keys on your laptop suddenly stop working. So this happens a lot to a lot of people, and it can be extremely frustrating, especially when you need to work, study or simply type something important. But don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you several tips and several easy and effective methods that you can try out right now, and without entering actually the BIOS, and without booting into safe mode, and without anything complicated. So just follow me until the end. So the method number one, guys, is restart the laptop. Okay, it's very simple actually, but it may sound simple, but many temporary keyboard glitches disappear when you restart your computer or laptop. Okay, so shut down completely and then try again. Okay, so the method number two is cleaning the dust. Clean the keys. Okay, some keys on the keyboard. My keyboard actually has the butterfly key, so it's a little bit too low. It's a little bit complicated to get dusted, but it can happen. But some keys, some laptop keys, it's a little bit up. So when it's a little bit up, it can get a lot more dust than the butterfly key. Okay, so dust and crumbs and small particles can prevent a key from pressing properly. It can prevent a key to going down completely. Okay, you can use a soft brush or compressed air if you have it. Gently clean between the keys. Okay, you can clean a little bit inside as well. Okay, especially the ones that aren't working. Okay, after cleaning, you can test the laptop again and see if it works. So the method number three is use online keyboard. The method number three is use online keyboard tester. So this avoids any advanced steps like BIOS or safe mode. Open a website. Let's open a website right here. We can type keyboard tester.io. So in this keyboard tester, in this website right here, we are going to click and test keyboard. On those sites, just press each key and check on the screen which ones are responding. So this helps you quickly identify whether the problem is physical or software related without restarting or doing anything complex. Okay, if the key doesn't resist on the website, it almost certainly is a hardware issue. So the method number four, guys, is restore the keyboard. So what we are going to do right here is go on device manager right here. You're gonna open device manager right here, click device manager, then right here we are going on keyboard. We're gonna click with the right button, go on install device, and when we install device, you're going to restart your computer. So you're going to click here, because your keyboard will not be working. Okay, but when you restart your computer after uninstall the device in the device manager, when you reboot your computer or laptop, it will reinstall itself. So when the laptop turns back on, test the keys again. The method number five, guys, is update Windows. Sometimes pending updates interfere with the hardware components. So go to settings. Actually, you don't need to go to settings. You just press the Windows key right here and type Windows update. And here will be check for updates. Many hidden issues are solved just by updating the system. Okay, for me there are a lot of. So it actually gives the estimate time 5 to 20 minutes, and I can restart my computer right now. I won't do it right now, but you should if you are having some issues in your laptop, and not just for the keyboard. Okay, the next method, guys, is disable accessibility features. Some features like filter keys can delay or block keystrokes. So go to settings, then here we are going on accessibility right here. We are going on keyboard. Let me focus. Keyboard. And then right here we are going on filter keys, as you can see right here. For me, it's already turned it off because I know that gives a lot of errors and brings a lot of issues, so I just turn it off. But for you, it surely will be on. After turning it off, test the keyboard again, okay? Those options often cause the keys to behave strangely without you noticing, okay? The next method, guys, is test with external USB keyboard. So this is important to confirm whether the problem is physical or software. Plug in a USB keyboard and try the same keys. If all keys work perfectly on the external keyboard, but some keys on your laptop still fails, that confirms that the issue is with the laptop internal keyboard, and you should obviously change your keyboard. If after all those methods your keyboard isn't working, don't worry, sometimes the issue is more specific and it requires a little bit more and a deeper analysis, okay? If you can still solve it on your own, you can contact me through the link in the description. I will fix it for you very quickly and safely. And if this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if any of these methods work for you, or if you still have questions. Your interaction helps the channel and a lot, and motivates me to continue bringing useful videos like this one. So see you in the next video.